Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add affiliate links to your YouTube channel. First, go to YouTube. Once you're on the site, sign in if you haven't already. After that, navigate to the YouTube Studio by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're inside the YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the far left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down until you see the Customization option. Click on it to open the Customization menu. Within the Customization section, select the Profile tab. Scroll down slightly and you'll see a section for adding links. These links will appear on your YouTube channel's homepage. To add a link, click the button that says Add Link. In the pop-up fields, you'll see two boxes. The first box is for the title of the link. For example, you can write something like Premium Quality Headphones or Check out New Collection. The second box is for the URL. Copy the link you want to share. This could be an affiliate link. The affiliate link can come from networks like ClickBank, Digistore24, Amazon, or any other affiliate platform or a personal website. Paste the link you copied from affiliate platforms in this field. Once you've added the title and URL, you can repeat this process for each additional link you want to add. To remove a link, look for the trash can icon next to it. Click on the trash can and the link will be deleted. After making any changes, make sure to click Publish in the top right corner to save everything. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing much faster than most people, click the link in the description to watch a free video explaining how it works. It's the fastest way for even complete beginners to start making a full-time income online. That's it. Thank you for watching.